This is the best PC case of 2024. It's the Haven HS420, but there's just one problem. It comes in at $270, which yes, the case is amazing, it's actually fantastic, and it's really sad, this new trend that we're seeing where the average gamer is getting priced out of the latest hardware and really amazing cases like this, and it's a major reason why the secondhand market is really booming. Now, I do really love the case. Let me know what you guys think of it down below, and the current trend of PC hardware getting more and more expensive. See ya!